SBA Publications.
Hello everyone, I hope that you all are doing good at your place. Dear students, today we are going to start your chapter number 4, that is My Family. Students, I would like to tell you that human being is a social animal and we always used to live with our social environment. In that social environment, we live in a house and in that house we have so many members. So all these members group make a family. Okay, today we are going to learn about family, right? So get ready with me to start the topic. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to know the meaning of the family, know about the different type of families, and identify the type of your family, in which type of family you are living. So for that, first of all, you would like to know about the family. What is family? Okay. Here you have an activity, draw a picture or paste a photograph of your family in the frame given below. Here you have to paste the picture of your family with all the members of your family. So students, here we have what is family. We all live in a family. Family is a group of the people who are related to each other. जो एक दूसरे से relate करते हैं, ठीक है? उस ग्रुप को हम क्या कहेंगे? Family. Father and mother together are called our parents. Father और mother को एक साथ हम क्या कहते हैं? हमारे parents. Okay? Our brother and sisters are called our siblings. हमारे जो भाई बहन होते हैं उनको हम क्या कहते हैं? हमारे siblings. Okay? So here you have, how many siblings do you have? आपके पास कितने brother sister हैं? Here you have to write, and here you have to write their name also, right? I'm not talking about the cousin one. You will write the name of your own brother and sister. Okay? Different kind of families. Now, here you will comes to know with the type of families. As I told you also that the member who correlate with each other will call our family. Okay? Now we are going to learn about the type of the family. As here you have small family. Small family have 3 or 4 members. Small family में 3 or 4 members ही होते हैं. कौन कौन से? Father, mother and 1 or more children. मम्मा, पापा, एक और उससे एक ज़्यादा बच्चा. ठीक है? This is a family. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? एक family कहेंगे. Who look after all your need in the family? आपकी ज़रूरतों की देखभाल कौन करता है फैमिली में? आपके पेरेंट्स करते हैं, है ना? So, this is the picture of a small family. Okay? So, now we are moving towards the big family. In big family, some family may have 5 or 6 members. कुछ families में 5 या 6 members भी हो सकते हैं. Father, mother, siblings and grandparents also. कुछ families में father, mother, siblings के साथ में grandparents भी रहते हैं. Okay? So, that type of family will call big family. Clear? Now we are moving towards a joint family. Joint family क्या होती है बच्चों? There are some families with more than 6 members also. कुछ family में 6 से ज़्यादा लोग भी रहते हैं. जैसे parents, sibling, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousin live together in the same house in a joint family. ठीक है? जो joint family होती है उसमें दादा दादी, ताऊ जी ताई जी, चाचा जी चाची जी, बच्चे भी उन सब के, बुआ भी होती हैं कई बार. जब सब एक साथ एक ही हाउस में रह रहे हों उनको हम क्या कहेंगे? Joint family. Okay? So in this chapter you have learned about 3 types of family. First one was, in that family mama, papa and 2 children will be there. तो उसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Small family. After that In big family, grandparents will also include with us mama, papa, siblings and grandparents. It will be called big family. Now, the last one is joint family. In joint family, there will be mother, father, brother, sister, बुआ, uncle, aunt, grandparents. Okay? So, इस फैमिली को हम क्या कहेंगे? जॉइंट फैमिली. क्लियर है? आगे चले. So, this is your joint family. No more. Members of one family have the same last name. Is this their surname? जो एक ही फैमिली के मेंबर होते हैं उनका जो सरनेम होता है वो सेम होता है. नेम अलग अलग होता है लेकिन सरनेम क्या होगा? सेम. सपोज एन एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू आर नितिन कुमार, so your father name will be Suresh Kumar, your grandfather name will be Dipesh Kumar. Okay? So जो last name होता है surname वो same होता है सभी का. Okay? Next, we should love and take care of our family members. हमें अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स को प्यार करना चाहिए, उनके रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए, उनका ध्यान रखना चाहिए और उनका कहना भी मानना चाहिए. बिकॉज यू पीपल आर वेरी स्मॉल, सो यू शुड ओबे देम. ओके, वी शुड रिस्पेक्ट आवर एल्डर्स एंड लिसन टू देम. जैसा अभी मैंने आपको बताया, आपको अपने बड़ों की रिस्पेक्ट करनी चाहिए और उनकी बात को सुनना भी चाहिए. ओके, नाउ हियर यू हैव योर कीवर्ड्स. पेरेंट्स, आवर फादर एंड मदर. ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, parents of our parents, uncle, brothers of our father or mother, aunts, sister of our father or mother, cousins, children of our uncles and aunt. Okay, so now we are doing the sum up of your chapter. Small revision. Our family is a group of people who are related to each other. Small families have 3 or more members like father, mother, 1 or more children. Big families may have 5 or 6 members, father, mother, siblings and grandparents. Parents, sibling, grandparents, uncles, aunt and cousin will together in the same house in a joint family. Okay? Now, this is test your learning. अब आपने क्या सीखा है उसे टेस्ट करना है through the given exercise. Okay? So, on the behalf of the chapter, you have to solve the given exercise. If you will face any doubts, and then you can go through with the explanation side again, right? I will meet you in your next class with a new topic. Meanwhile, take care of yourself and keep on learning. Goodbye.